Hello Primary 5, welcome to our lesson. Today we will talk about decimals. What is a decimal? Decimal is a part of whole. This is the definition of a fraction, but decimal is a special fraction. Or you can say a decimal is a number that uses a decimal point. Decimals are special fractions with a certain multiples of 10 in the denominator. Again, decimals are a special fraction. Its denominators is 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, and so on. When you see the denominator has a number of this, you can write this fraction with a point. Like the first one, 1 over 10. 1/10. We have here th in the end of the word. 1/10. How to write this in the decimal point? This is like division sign. We have here 1 0, so in divided we will move back to the left according how many zeros we have in the denominator. We have here only 1 0, so we will move back just one move and put our decimal. Like this, start from here, 1. We will put our point here. This is 0.1. 1 over 100. 100th. 100th. Where is our point? After 2 digits, count back. 1, 2, 0.01. 1 over 1000, so we will move back to the left to 3 moves. Why? Because we have 3 0 in 1000. Start from here. 1, 2, 3. Empty moves. We will add 2 zeros. 0.001. 1 over 10,000, so it's called 1/10,000th, and so on. How to write? How many moves? 1, 2, 3, 4. So our point should has 4 digits in front of it. Okay. Decimals can also be shown on the place value chart. This is place value chart. We have here ones, tens, hundreds, thousandths. Okay, this is a decimal point. To the right of the decimal point, we have tenth. The same names, but we have th except once here. The decimal part has no ones. Start from tenth, hundredth, thousandth, 10,000th, and so on. So everything to the left of a decimal point is a whole. Everything to the right of the decimal point is a part of whole. Okay, or called decimal part. 134 and 7/10,000ths. Okay, how to write it in the place value chart? Okay, and means point. So we have a number to the left of the word and or before and. This is whole. 134. How to write 134? 134. 4 in ones, 3 in tens, 1 in hundreds. After the word and, we have a decimal part. We have only 7. 7, but where, in which place? In tenth or hundredth or thousand or 10,000. He said to me 7 in where? 10,000th. So tenth has 0, hundredth has 0, thousandth has 0, just 10,000th has 7. Okay. Decimals shows parts of whole. This is called the whole. One whole. When divided it into 10, This is called tenth. If we take the first column, this is 1/10, 1 out of 10 columns, called tenth. Hundredth, thousandth. Okay. Now, practice writing and saying some decimals. Okay, what portion of the square is green? Yes. How many columns here are green? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4. 4 out of how many columns of 10? Count all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 4 over 10. 10 here is special denominator, so we write it with the point 0.4. Yellow, 6. Count the colored. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Colored over all. How many columns? 10. So 6 over 10. 6 over 10. Write it with the point 0.6 as you see. How many hundredths are red? This is red of hundredths. Means all, when you count all the squares here, it will be 100 square. Red, how many red? When you count columns. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 columns, meaning like 30, 32. 32 over all the squares, 100. How to write it? 0.32. How many hundredths are yellow? When you count, 68. 68 out of 100, or 68 over 100. When you write it with a decimal point, 0.68. Now, as you see here, we have the answer 547 over 1000. This is grid of thousandths. Okay. 5 at first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 columns. We were right, 5. Let's call 500. Now turn to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squares. 4 and tenths. 7 ones. Small squares. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my number 547 out of 1000. When you write it with a decimal, 0.547. Place value of decimals. Okay. 2, we have here a whole part and decimal part. Okay. The whole part before the point or to the left of the point, and the decimal part to the right of the decimal point. If we have 2 hundredths, okay, we have maximum here, hundredths place. This is a place value, and its value, it will be 200. 4 in tenths, and its value, it will be 40. 9 in ones, and its value, it will be 9. This is before the decimal point, 249, as normal, whole part. After the decimal point, we have tenth, hundredth, thousandth, and so on. 5 in tenth, and its value, it will be with point. Don't forget the point when you write the value. 0.5. Here, whole is 0, converted into 0. So 0.5. 7 in hundredth, 3 in thousandth. 0.5. Now the turn of 7. 7 in hundredth, okay, 0 whole, point. Now tenth converted into 0, 0.07. 3 in thousandth, 0 whole, point, 0, 0, 3. Or you can write with a fraction, 0.55 over 10. 7 in hundredth, 7 over 100. 3 in thousandth, 3 over 1000. How to write decimal numbers? Okay, 324.578. We have a standard form. Standard form, just write the number as a number. So we write it again as numbers. 324.578. Or another form to write the decimal is called word form. This is long, but okay, you can write with it. As you read, write 324. Write 324. Point, this is called and. 578. Write 578. But 578 what? Is a whole or is a part of whole? Is a part of whole, you should write the place. 578 thousandth. Why thousandth? Because we have here 3 digits. Okay. Without writing a thousandth, I understand 578 is a whole. Okay. Or unit form. Unit form, write the number as a number, but write its place after it, like what you see. 3 in where? In hundreds. 2 tens, comma, 4 ones, 5 in tenth, don't forget TH or THS. 7 hundredth, 8 thousandth. You can choose any form to write the number, but the easiest one and the best one is the first one, standard form. Okay, write each of the following in a decimal form. Okay, 24 hundredth. When you see in the word TH, TH means count back, move back to the left. Hundredth, how many zero in the hundred? 2. So we will move back, start moving from ones to move back. Start from here, 1, 2, and put here your decimal point. We have here 5 ones, comma means and or point, 2000. Okay, 5 in ones, this is a whole, right? 5. Comma, to a point, but we have 2. 2 in which place? 2 in thousandths. So the 10th place is 0. 100th place is also 0. We need 2 to setting at thousandth place. Okay. 1 and 5 tenths. 1 is a whole. So before the point. And is a point. And 5 in tenth. So we will put 5 in the first place after the point. Next, 7,000. 7,000, this is a whole part. And means point. 4,800th. After the point, to the right of the point, we should have 48. 8,000th. TH means count back from the ones 3 digits back or 3 moves back. 1, 2, 3. So 0.008 because we need 8 in the thousandth place. Tenth place is 0, hundredth place is 0. We need 8 in the thousands. Okay? I hope you understand our session today and see you in the next. Bye bye.